action.
How we doing, YouTube? It's Trinity Godsent here. I just want to take you guys through how I'm preparing for my bodybuilder competition. I have 2 shows coming up, each hosted by the NGA. The first one's October 9th, and the second one's going to be 27th, so it'll give me a chance to kind of tweak my diet, tweak how I'm preparing for it, the exercise and stuff like that. So this is what I'm eating. The first one is the turkey with string beans, green string beans. The next one is the ground sirloin with some green beans, and of course I have some romaine lettuce and some spinach, and of course we got some Italian style 99% lean chicken breast, as you can see. Of course I got some brown and raw rice with some turkey and a couple other greens and whatnot. Okay. Right now, this right here is enough about three days in a meal. So in about the middle of the week, I'm gonna have to go ahead and do some more preparing. Eventually, we'll get it down packed so we can get everything done by the beginning of the week, so that I don't have to worry about preparing again in the middle of the week. All right. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my weight. All right. Keep in mind, tomorrow is going to be my the start of my diet. So, let's see. Of course it would. Come on. There you go. All right, there we go. Let's see what I'm weighing. 236. All right, 235 pounds, 0.4. Take about a pound or half a pound off for clothes and whatnot. All right, let's see. Let me do a little posing. Let's do posing. Just cut that out. All right, do a quick little pose to see where I'm at. I actually learned a good little exercise for my lower back, like to thicken it up, give me that nice little meaty portion over there, like bellies and whatnot. So, quick little pose, boom. Legs. So this bulk has been pretty good to me. I put on some quality mass on my hamstrings and whatnot, and of course on the back, which has been a weak point for me. At least I think so. Do a couple more mandatory. It also allowed me to get a little thicker in the waist, but that's fine. We'll cut that out. Waist flings up pretty easily. Of course, I like this one. Alright, continue watching for more. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Alright.